In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll all the way down to access apps. Then click on choose default apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In this case, browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one to apply it and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!